Hey guys, Atomic Dragon here, and welcome to another Hill Climb Racing. So I told you I was going to upgrade the cop car next. Actually, I'm going to upgrade my motocross bike next. I'm going to upgrade it mainly because it's actually a pretty cool thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all these maps with the motocross bike. Now, I really like this motocross bike. It's not the best. Yeah, it's definitely not the best, but it's not really the worst. My opinion is the finger stroke is the worst. That thing is not, by far, my least favorite vehicle on this game. Oh crap! No, I didn't mean to do that. Going on seasons now. Hopefully, I can make it farther than the double pond, where I actually last made it. I can't. My record is 596. Hopefully, I can make it past. Oh, already failed. How did that work? It didn't really work out for me or the biker. This poor guy. I actually feel sorry for him. He has to go through this amount of pain. Can't really feel pain, considering he's digital. It's just sad. Very sad. At least you get to torture him. And torture him. If you like that, torturing this poor thing. But if you don't, you can get really good and you can make it to where he just runs out of gas instead of killing him and snapping his neck on every hill. Because honestly, if I were him, I would not like that. I would not want me to be in your hands. That would not be fair. I guess, I don't know. He's just a video game. If they were real, they'd probably be getting revenge on us. So, yeah. They're fake. Why am I going into extending this? It's not really like a racing game. Can I make it past this? Yes, I can! No! And go, 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 go! Can I make it past this hill? I can. Can I make it to the next level? Will Atomic Dragon be able to make his motocross bike go to the next level? No! Atomic Dragon has failed this biker. I am sorry. I don't even know your name. It's time to do some Snow World stuff. We're in Antarctica in Atomic Dragon.
Hey, what you playing, Bo?
I am playing Hill Climb Racing, Gamma Girl. doing another video.
Well, I'm playing Talking Angelina.
Talking Angelina. I hate that game.
I hate you.
Everyone knows this. Except for me, the viewers. Hey viewers, she hates me. Now they know.
They just learned that.
Now they know. They didn't. They already know. Well, she doesn't really hate me, considering that it's
I actually
impossible.
love my brother. Do your Goku voice.
But I don't want to.
Goku?
Not Goku.
I know.
Tom Dragon. By Goku.
I call him Goku sometimes.
If I was Goku, I would be doing a Goku channel. But I'm not going to do Goku's Gonna Show You, because that's Team 4 Star's gig. Well, actually, I'm pretty sure it's Moscow X, which, big fan Moscow X if you ever watch this. And also, Team 4 Star, if you're watching this, great job on the Dragon Ball Z Abridged. I really like those. They're funny. Actually, I'm pretty sure I can do a reaction video. No, I can't on YouTube. I can only do it on Netflix. Unless you guys wouldn't want to watch. I mean, I don't think that'd really be fair to you guys. No!
Guys, I have my own YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? I thought Ryan couldn't make. I thought Radioactive couldn't make it for you.
Well, guess what?
He could?
Yeah, he made it for me.
Nice. Literally the best I've ever gotten in there.
Wow.
Well, this actually has something. Driving on the highway. I love the highway. It's always the highest way to go. It's where cars go to get lit with their fam. Because everyone knows that everyone knows that family is so lit. And my bike has failed the city again. Dang it, dang it. Atomic Dragon cannot save this poor young man.
I had my air test, my second air test.
Oh wow.
Today.
That's
Mom,
nice.
I don't want to see you using the restroom.
Why would you play a game where you see a cat using the restroom?
I don't know. Just happens, dude.
Yeah, you're getting close to the ceiling there, buddy. You make it without, hitting the ceiling. That would be greatly appreciated.
Well, Angelina doesn't even use the restroom.
That's not good. That is not good. Why doesn't your female cat use the restroom? That is like not good at all. I didn't mean to go there. I need to go to the next map. Oh, next is the moon. Everyone likes the moon.
No, they don't.
Yeah, especially not my motocross guy, because I don't think he likes doing flips every 5 seconds. Is this a backflip? Yes, it is. Should have done the front flip. Front flips, you get more points. No. You get the same amount of gold. Why is a front flip easier to do, but you get the same amount of gold as you do if you do a backflip? And if you do a neck flip, you die, but you get 2,500. How does that make sense?
Tom's trying to concentrate.
On you rubbing his belly.
Alex, just shh. Okay? Sorry, I was just getting a little bit mad.
Okay. I'm joining choir next year.
No, bad. Go away.
What, you don't want me to sing in front of a huge crowd?
No, I hit Tom in the face.
Oh. Don't hit cats. Call PETA. I'm sure everyone watching this knows what PETA is, but I'm not sure if my sister does.
No, I do not.
So I'm just going to say it. It's an animal help organization.
Tom just...
Basically, they come...
No, Tom just said no.
Oh no! 2 backflips. Why I was out of gas. That would even die.
Shut up, you stupid dog.
dog. Mamas, quiet. Just be quiet. It's not that hard. Jesus Christ. Okay. Next is boot camp. I am probably going to die. I'm probably going to lose miserably on this. Oh, shoot. I should put the suppressor. The suppressor? I don't know. I can't remember what it's called. Is that good? Hopefully I don't lose like I did last time I played on this map. Tires got stuck in between my tires and I got stuck in a ditch. Oh wait till my gas ran out. At least the whole thing didn't die. Oh gosh. At least this guy didn't die. You should be happy. You're not suffering yet. No. Why when I'm hitting the thing to do a backflip, you do a front flip? Things that make no sense in the world. Just. Oh, and has anyone in the audience, has anyone seen the High School Musical, The Addams Family? I have, and it is amazing. They did a very good job.
I gotta watch more than him now.
No, you still didn't get to watch the full thing.
How do you know?
Because didn't he, like, say he have to go to school in the middle of it after, like, he asked you to keep a secret for Wednesday and him?
Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't get to see full.
Well, I didn't stop there. I stopped at the wedding part.
Yeah, I know. You didn't stop there. He cut. Okay, so what they did was they didn't show you the middle. They didn't show you in between. They showed you the beginning and the end. And that was it. At least I'm pretty sure that was it. They either showed you... Yeah, they showed you the beginning and the end. They didn't show you that. And if you did, in the comments down below, type in who is your 3 favorite characters. Not 1, not 2, but 3. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you mine right now. Mine were Gomez, Wednesday, and Lurch. They did a very good job on their costumes and stuff, and it was amazing. But I'm not gonna get too deep in there because it'd just be spoiling it, and that's no fun watching the play. That's been spoiled. And plus, it hasn't opened to the public yet. It opens on to the public during the weekend. You can go see it Friday night, Saturday night, or Sunday afternoon. And it's being held at the Jackson Middle School. Yeah. But guys, I'm sorry. I'm going to have to end this video here. Atomic Dragon, out.